it's politics 24/7, because now the big focus is the 6 states which will vote in 2023 after the first 3 are over in the northeast. So the BJP's Karnataka strategy, Akhilesh has this exclusive on how in Karnataka at least the BJP is not taking any chances with the Gujarat model of changing a majority of MLAs.
Well, much talked about and successful Gujarat model of the BJP will not be repeated in Karnataka Assembly elections. Let's first talk about what is Gujarat model. We have been seeing that how BJP has been winning in Gujarat Assembly elections for the past 3 decades. In fact, this time around, they made a record of a sort because they won maximum number of seats in Gujarat. And this time, they dropped maximum number of sitting MLAs. 42 MLAs were dropped in Gujarat. And before that, a year ago, all the ministers, including the chief ministers, were replaced. This was for the first time the BJP had made such kind of experiment. After the successful Gujarat model, there was a demand in Karnataka that this model should be replicated in Karnataka itself, because BJP here is facing anti-incumbency. In fact, few leaders wrote a letter saying that maximum number of MLAs should be dropped because either they face anti-incumbency or they face corruption charges. But now BJP leaders say that this model will not be repeated in Karnataka because around 100 seats are there which BJP feels that MLAs win because of their personal influence in the respective constituencies. And that's why they feel if they deny a large number of MLAs tickets in the upcoming assembly elections, they will revolt against the party and they may ultimately harm the BJP in Karnataka. That's why BJP decided not to repeat this Gujarat formula or Gujarat model in Karnataka. BJP also says that some sitting MLAs from other parties like Congress or JDS likely to switch over to the BJP, and B.S. Yediyurappa's younger son, he may also contest from Shikaripura seat. So all these are part of the BJP's larger game plan as far as Karnataka is concerned, and BJP says that ultimately it depends upon the face of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who will be visiting 8th time this month in Karnataka, when on 25th of March all the 4 Vijay Sankalpa Yatras of the BJP will culminate and Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address a big rally there. Of course, Home Minister Amit Shah and BJP President JP Nadda will also be visiting Karnataka.